Hi guys. As you can see, I have 4 very big packages with me. It's quite obvious that they're wheels, but what wheels are they? These are my second set of Alibaba wheels. I can't believe I did this again. But the first time it was really good. The second time, this time, I don't think it was so good. I waited 4 months for these. I paid as much as used works. I could have got CR Kai 2-piece or VSSS 2 pieces that were local to me, used on Marketplace in really good condition for the same price as what I paid for these, which is kind of crazy. So I'm thinking maybe I'm stupid, but this way I was able to get custom spec'd, forged, triple chrome, 2-piece wheels. Yeah, and they're custom spec'd to my car. I think they're gonna fit perfectly, fender to lip at the front, rear tucking just enough. But who knows, I might need spacers still because this freaking car pisses me off every day and changes. But anyways, yeah, enough talking. I think it's time to open these. I'll talk about specs and everything as we go through the unboxing. But yeah, let's get started. I hope you guys like my camera setup. I don't even use this camera. This is mainly for the reel when I record it for Instagram. You guys on YouTube, you guys get the first real unboxing and my actual reaction to these, because I can't believe I waited 4 months. This is such a big thing for me. I can't believe I waited 4 months. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing. So yeah, this is not my first set of Alibaba wheels, so I was really confident enough with my last set from last year. They came out super nice and I was like, yo, let's do it again. This time, yeah, I definitely paid more money. I definitely took a bigger risk. And let's see if it was worth it. This is one of my dream wheels. Okay, ever since I was a kid, I love this design. And I had to do it. I really like CR Kais too. Could have got those. But yeah, what I got, so 18 by 9.5 plus 26 offset, 5 by 100, etc, etc. Everything to fit the car, literally perfect for the car. So let's get unboxing. Okay, triple chrome, which is super hard to come by, even if you buy real wheels. So these aren't just chrome plated. My last Alibaba set were chrome plated. These are not. The packaging is super nice. That's always a plus, because these shipped all the way from, so it took 4 months, manufacturing, getting the design and the specs that I wanted, going back and forth with the manufacturer, and this is how they came out. Ooh. Okay, are you guys ready? I'm not. 3, 2. Okay, the real wheels cost like 8 grand used, and you can't get them anywhere. So that's why I had to do it. Wait, I'm sorry to lead you guys on. I have center caps for them that they sent separately. So I'm going to show you guys the center caps first. I'll be back. Okay, so the center caps shipped separately, and they shipped like 2 or 3 days earlier than the actual wheel. So it was like so annoying waiting after 4 months. Ta-da! Let me see if this is on frame. So these are my Blitz 03 center caps, and I'm actually really surprised at the quality of that. Even all the little lettering came out pretty nice. Yeah, so the wheels are Blitz 03s, can't get them anywhere, and I thought, hey, let's custom make them. Damn! Oh! Sheesh. I don't know if you guys can see like how much shine that is. There's no sunlight in this room, but damn! Okay, one thing right away, it's a step lip, slight step lip. I wish I went, no, actually I'm okay with the step lip. My brakes aren't too big anyway, right? Oh my days. Do you guys see that? Oh my days! Ah! Okay, I'm gonna need extended lug nuts for sure. But yeah, these are genuine 2-piece. It's my first 2-piece like baller wheel. I can't believe how much I spent on this. I'm locally like, I don't know if this is worth it, but this is the forever wheel. I don't think I'll ever sell these, unless someone wants to pay me 4K for them. I have to get these mounted and balanced. My goal is to go 2020, 225, 35. So a slight, decent amount of stretch. Well, I do want to take them out of the box. Down. Ah! Look how wide these are. Oh my days. Is that a defect? Oops. Look how wide these are. Just I don't want to touch it because I still need to ceramic coat it and everything. These are not light. I'm guessing 21 to 22 pounds. Actually, no, heavier. They have to be heavier. But damn, do you guys see the shine on that? I cannot wait to put these on the car. Oops. Okay, so after seeing the wheels, what do you guys think? Is it worth the amount of money I spent? I'm not gonna tell you the exact amount. I don't want to, I'm ashamed. But yeah, I think this is it for the build. Like, this finishes a big portion of what I wanted. Get my dream wheels in. Damn! Kind of in shock. What do I need to talk about? Yeah, it took 4 months to come. Manufacturing took a while. Shipping took, I think, 30 days. So here, I wanted to do a little close-up for you guys so you guys can see the details of the wheel. Yeah, the triple chrome is super nice. Like, damn. I have the flash on for the GoPro, but it's not making much difference. But let's see if this does anything. Do you see that? Ah! And then center cap, super detailed. We're pretty happy with these. These are chrome 2 pieces, so I'll show you the back. One thing that I am a little like confused about is this. Why is it literal nuts? I thought usually the barrel of the wheel, right? This would just be riveted or like threaded, and then you would put the screws into the thread and not separate nuts. Like, wouldn't this affect balancing? That's what I'm more concerned about, the balance and everything. But whatever, I guess we'll figure it out. All the details, 5x100, ET26. I don't know what that says. Center bore, 65, it should be 65, like over here. They couldn't do 73.1 because it would affect the 5x100. And yeah, this is the back side. This is the lip. There's no knurl. Like, usually, sometimes it's knurled here for the tire to sit on. But these aren't. Not all wheels are. It's just a nice detail usually, but whatever. Anyways, Alibaba wheel unboxing. I do have to ceramic coat these. I will be ceramic coating these with this C Quartz Deluxe. This is what I did for my last wheel. My last chrome wheels from Alibaba, and it's good enough. It says protects plastics, vinyl, rubber, wheels, and brake caliper. So maybe I'll record that for YouTube as well. I don't know. It depends on time. But yeah. See you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Drop your opinions below. If you guys want to learn how to buy wheels off Alibaba, or just like I can do it for you, let me know. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.